This may well be the easiest tutorial I will ever do. This is our Fierce Sea Salt Spray. Oh, let me get it in focus there. There we go. And it is incredible for holding your hair without using hairspray. So of course, a sea salt spray, you think beachy waves, and of course it can give you that. But also if you just want to use it as a hairspray, you can as well. So two different ways to use it. Just spritz it onto hair if you just want a hairspray. Scrunch your hair immediately afterwards if you want that beachy wave. So I'll show you that. It's 88% natural. It has Celtic sea salt as the salt that we use to create that kind of beachy effect. It also has white nettle, which is really good for adding strength to the hair. And it also has Irish whiskey, which is great for shine. So it's a little bit of a combination product. So it comes in this non-aerosol spritz, and all you do is spritz it onto your hair like this. Leave it at that if you just want hold to set any style that you have, or if you want really good texture, you simply take your fingers and just move it around, and it'll give you texture. And it'll also give volume as well. So look at the difference. So this is the one, this is the side I haven't done, and this is the side that I have. You see that? So really much more volume, much more texture. And I'm just going to even that up on the other side. You can section your hair so that you get the underneath sections as well, depending on how much you want to hold or how much texture you want to create. And then on the front of my hair, I really just use what is on my hands and just give that a little scrunch there. That's it. Easy as that.